Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful Monday morning. Hope you had a lovely weekend. Today is 25th of May, 2026. And on Friday, we had our analysis on Friday, but I didn't want to trade we were within this consolidation. We had, the market had been consolidating since Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, since around Tuesday, yeah. We were within this consolidation here since Tuesday. So I didn't take a trade on Friday, but we had our analysis. I'm sorry I lost it somewhere around here. I'm trying to get back to it, but I can't. But okay, let's just do our analysis for today. Let's do our analysis for today. You see, today the market opened with a very big gap here during the Asian session. Uh, this was probably due to what Trump had to say. But before we get to that, you can see today you have holidays on in London, within the London market, and the New York market. The New York market, it's a bank holiday, so financial institutions in New York are closed for observance of Memorial Day. So you can expect low volumes, low trading volumes today. This is one of the big players. Like the New York market is one of the big players. The London market is also closed. So in observance of White Monday, so this is another big player in the forex market. So we can expect some low volumes in the market today. The only market open today is the Australian market and the Asian market. And this is how the Asian market opened today. Asian market opened this with this very big gap here. This is how the Asian market opened today. Uh, this was probably driven by this tweet from Trump about 10 hours ago. When he said, "If I make a deal with Iran, it will be a good one and a proper one." This means that there's no deal on the table yet. That was a signal for a buy, meaning there's no de-escalation in the war yet. So this is what you have to say. If I make a deal, it will be a good one and a proper one, not like the one made by Obama, which gave Iran massive amounts of cash and a clear, open path to nuclear weapon. Our deal is the exact opposite, but nobody has seen it or knows what it is. Okay. It isn't even fully negotiated yet, so don't listen to the losers who are critical about something they know nothing about. Unlike those before me, who should have solved this problem many years ago, I don't make bad deals. Is what Trump had to say, and this could have caused this gap, the Asian market to open with this very big gap here. Okay, so today we have nothing high. The New York market is closed. The London market is closed. So we don't expect any uh, spikes unless there's a statement about the Iran war by either party, either Iran or Trump. Okay, so let's dig into the charts and see if we do our top-down analysis for today. So this is what we have. Our resistance is up here. Our monthly resistance is up here. Our monthly support is down here. Jump down to the weekly. On the weekly, we have the swing high, the swing low. So our swing high is here. That is the resistance on the weekly. But we have some internal resistance up here, down here. There's the internal resistance down here. and you can see we have some internal support too down here. This kind of closed. So that is the internal support, internal resistance. That is on the weekly. So on the daily, jump down to the daily. On the daily, let's see what we have. There's this swing. The market came close below here. So this is a swing high, this is a swing low. So on the daily, we have this level here. Is a daily resistance, but you can see there was an internal structure here where we have a break of structure here. So internally, we have this resistance here. We have this resistance up here. This is internally. The support is down here. Jump down to the 4 hours. Jump down to 4 hours. So what do we have on 4 hours? On 4 hours is what you're looking at. On 4 hours, the market has been consolidating since this Monday, Tuesday, last week. The whole of last week we have been in a consolidation. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The market had been consolidating around these levels, around 45.89 and 44.53. The market has been consolidating around these levels here. So let's see what you have. This was a swing low, this was a swing high. Internally, I would be looking for a trade. I would be looking for a safe trade. I would be looking for a sell below this level to take the market down, or a buy above this level, take the market up to these levels here. So internally, let's use we can use the bodies here. You can allow me to use the bodies here. Move this to the body here, and this one to the body here. So this is where the market has been consolidating all along, still in that consolidation phase. Is still within that consolidation phase. So for safe sells and safe buys will be around this level here. And the safe sells will be from around this level here. But let's continue the breakdown, see what we have. So on FARS, that is what we have. We have some internal support here on FARS. This is external support, external resistance. We have some internal support down here. Let's use this body. Let's use the body here. Yeah, the support here, but you're going to use the body here. The support is here, so move this to the body here. We have that support there. The resistance is okay up there. Jump down to 1 hour. On 1 hour is where the market is at. On 1 hour, I'll move this one. This is what we had. Market came. Had no close up below here. Market came up, down, moved up. Yeah. So this is what you have. Oh no, this is what you have here. You have this one here, and the swing high is up here. This is what we have on 1 hour. And the market broke above this level. We have this, yeah, that's what we have on 1 hour. That's what we're looking at on the 1 hour. This is, that's what we're looking at on 1 hour. So let's jump down to 30 minutes. 30 minutes and 30 minutes. What do we have? On 30 minutes, we had this, yeah, we had this support here right before the 8 a.m. candle. We had this support here on 30 minutes. It has been broken. We had this support here. And there's also the resistance is up here. We had the support up there, resistance. Wait, I didn't move this one on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we have that one there. The support, the resistance. So jump down to 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we have that resistance up there. We have the resistance up there. Yeah, and the support right down here is internal. This is internal support, but the major support is down here. Excuse me. Once the market closed below here, this is our high. This is our high. Once it was broken, this became our low, and this became our high. So internally we have this support here, okay, and the resistance still up there. And the resistance, internal resistance is up here on the 30 minutes. So this is what we are looking at. So for a sell, I would move this one here, and if a candle closed and this candle closed below that level there, remember there's this gap here that needs to be filled here. So this would be a potential, that this would be a nice area to take a sell from. Potential sales below. It will be a nice area to take a sell from. As you can see, this candle closed with some good bearish momentum here, and for the buys, I don't think I'd be buying from here. For the buys, I'd be looking to take a buy from here. The reason I'd be looking to take a sell from here is because of this gap here that needs to be filled. And for the buys, this would be an ideal position to take a buy from. Yeah, potential buys. potential buys above. So that's what I'll be looking to try today. So if we get this sell here, take it all the way down here. That level there for the buys. If we get a good close above here, I'll be looking for a retest here to push the market up. But the confidence would be, if my confidence in the buy will be if I get a good bullish candle closing above this level with some good bullish pressure, good bullish momentum. This would be where we'll be breaking out of the consolidation here that we've been in since Monday last week. So if we break above here, if we break above this level, then my confidence in the buy would be, that would really boost my confidence in the buy to push the market up all the way to these levels. There's this level here, there's that level there, this level here. These are the levels I'll be watching for. If we get a good close above this level, if we get a good close above this level, these are the levels I'll be watching for price to count. I'll be watching out for these levels here. These are the levels I'll be watching. If we get a buy, if we get a sell, I don't think I'd be willing to push it further than this. For the sell, just to cover this gap here, to fill this gap here, I'll be looking for selling. I'll be selling from that level down to this level here. This is where I'll be looking to take my sell to. For the buys, I'll be looking to take a buy from this level here. Push it to above 2R. Push it to that level there. If we get a buy today. If we get a buy today, this is what I'm looking at. Push it all the way up there. Stop loss somewhere around there. For the sell, I'll be looking to push it to that level there. So guys, remember, trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is always key. Risk management is key. So see you tomorrow, guys, for a recap of this trade. This is my trade idea for the day, and this is how I take this market today. So see you guys tomorrow. I'm out.